It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and we got our first real dumping of snow. And it's not even as bad as some of our friends a little bit south of the border. They got a lot of snow. So I'm going to show you what we got. We got a good amount of snow, and it looks actually pretty nice out. I'll show you. I don't know, it's about a foot. But the weird thing is, normally when it snows, it warms up. But now, it is like minus 24. Normally it warms up when it snows. Four-wheeler does pretty good, but it is a lot of snow for the four-wheeler, so I kind of leave the blade up a bit, do the first pass, and then come back and clean it up good. Oh my goodness, that was actually a lot of snow. I actually enjoy the snow, but it's such a busy time of year, it kind of takes the fun out of it. But whenever the snow's down and it's all cleaned up, it's kind of nice to have around. So there you go, the laneway is done. Took a little bit longer. I think it took me about an hour to clean it, which is still pretty good. Tomorrow morning when there's less cars, I'm gonna clean around the mailbox, but otherwise the whole laneway is finished. I didn't get half as much snow as some of the people in the eastern seaboard, so I'm pretty thankful about that. But I got it all done, and I'm about ready to go in. I got my walkway all cleaned and the front shoveled, and you can hear in the background the sleds are rolling, so there's a lot of guys pretty happy because of the snow. So you guys have a good one.